Hi, Terry VanNoy. Welcome to Math Class with Terry V. Hope this video helps you out, and if you enjoy it, please share it, comment, or like it. And you can also go to my website, MathPowerLine.com. It's a math resource blog, lesson videos for students, and other resources for parents and teachers. Give me a call or go to my website or email. All right, let's go to today's lesson. Welcome to this video series. We're talking about how to solve equations that have logarithmic functions inside of them. All right, we're solving logarithmic equations. Now we're going to look at this in several steps, and hopefully you'll progress through these videos with me. We're going to talk about how you can create an equation by looking at the equal expressions. I'll show you that in just a second. Then we're going to use log properties to rewrite these equations and solve them that way. And built in, of course, will be problem sets where you get to try for yourself, and I'll go over all the answers and help you out with that. And we'll finish with a couple of self-quizzes, okay? So you'll need your calculator, possibly, probably not too much, but a piece of paper, and, you know, anytime you watch something and before I go over the answers, pause that video and you try it yourself. All right, let's look at some of these basic concepts here to start. First of all, when we look at log base a of some expression equals log base a of another expression, first thing you want to do is make sure that the bases are the same, okay? And by symbolizing it with the letter A, that's what I'm showing here. So if you have the same base of one expression and the log of the same base of a second expression, in this case x and y, then you should be able to write an equation. Those expressions are equal. So you can set the left expression equal to the right expression, and it will have one variable though, of course, and we will solve it as a regular equation. Okay, so you're going to look for equal expressions. All right. All right, the other part is being able to take a logarithmic form expression like this, log base a of some expression equals y, and change it directly into its exponential form. Remember that logarithms and exponents, exponential equations, are inverses. So you should be able to go back and forth, and if you can write it in this form, then you can solve for one of the variables. All right, so we'll be going back and forth from logarithmic form to exponential form. All right, we're going to try two problems here to get started. Number one, log base 8 of that expression equals log base 8 of that expression. As I just mentioned, make sure the bases are the same, and now we can make those two expressions equal to each other. So there we have this equation. We're going to make those expressions equal to each other, and now I'm going to kind of compress the steps here, but we want to subtract 6 from each side, and we want to add 4x on each side. Okay, I'm going to assume that you've gone through enough algebra, you know how to solve these two, sometimes three-step equations, but you're looking for opposites, and you want to make sure that you are getting all the x's on one side and all the constant numbers on the other. So I'll kind of speed through the solving of the equation. The main part, of course, is setting it up correctly. So we'll end up eventually here with x equals -1. All right. Number 2, natural log of 3v plus 2 equals natural log of 4v. Now remember that natural log, or ln, is the log base e. All right, log base e. Okay, that's its abbreviation. Just think of it as any kind of number. E happens to be a little over 2, and we have this expression equal to this expression. Let's write our equation. So 3v plus 2 equals 4v. And I'm going to go ahead and subtract 4v from each side and subtract 2 from each side. And let's see what we've got. -1v equals -2, therefore v must be a +2. All right, so we're going to be looking for equal expressions. Now the next video is problem set 1, and you're going to try these two problems, so give it a try. Thanks for watching. All right, there you have it. I invite you to go to my website now, MathPowerLine.com, or email me or give me a call. The way I work best with students is live online in my classroom. So if I can help you in any way, answer some specific questions, the first lesson with me is free as I show you how everything works. All right, study hard and take care.